Okay.
Okay, welcome to the computer science class of computer science Edexcel, and we are doing the paper number 2. And in paper number 2, we are on topic 3, that is called networks,
Yeah.
right? So,
Right.
Edexcel computer science, let's start the class. The first topic is phishing. So, in the topic of networks, we have done that how do we receive the file through email, how do we send the emails, and now we are going to start the topic of understanding the importance of network security. It means once you connect it to the internet, you are connected with the whole world and you are 101% you know being targeted by any hacker, any fisher, any farmer, anything. So internet is a kind of a web where a lot of people concerns with your data, with your privacy, and they wanted to you know hack your data. They wanted to send you some legitimate emails. They wanted to crack your passwords. They want your bank account details, blah blah blah. So this was our topic today. So the first topic is phishing. Phishing is used to attempt to persuade someone to enter confidential data, for example username, passwords, and credit card details, by pretending to be from a trustworthy source. Like I have make a page and I am using the MSN Microsoft label and I send it to you. So once you open that page, you see that it is a Microsoft page or something useful. You input your email ID and password in it and you want access. So that is a legitimate looking page and you want to access in it, but you don't know, you are unaware that it is being designed by a hacker who wanted to crack your password or who wanted to steal your password in this way. So in phishing, the person is trying to pretending a document or showing or sending you a document in which you are going to input your personal details, and then your password will be and your information will be leaked. So it is usually carried out by email spoofing or instant messaging. Like I have making a fake page, I have sent it to you by a message or by a kind of an email. You click on the link, you go into the website, you think that this website is useful, you input your password and ID, and then your data will be leaked. So
So
that is the reason the people saying do not enter onto the unknown links. Do not respond to the unknown emails, right?
yeah.
So users are often asked to enter details at a fake website, which look just like the proper version. So I told you the example in detail, I think few weeks ago, that how do I make a Hotmail page and I send you the person and person trust on that page. Why? Because it
Yeah.
look like an original one. So the hacker is an expert person who wanted to trap you in all the way. Next is farming. Farming में क्या होता है देखो. Farming is a scamming practice in which malicious code is installed on a personal computer or a server, or DNS records are modified, misdirecting users to fraudulent website without their knowledge or consent. Yes, this happened many times with me. I write www.hotmail.com and mistakenly I redirect to Alibaba or something like a malicious page, which are asking me to input the password and the username. So I just click cancel. Why? Because that type of particular codes are already installed in the user's hard drive. And once you're going to open any website, that codes start working. Or wo
Um,
malicious. Yes, please. You want to ask something?
yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can't the hacker be smart and send you the link? And even if you click that link by accident and you try to press cancel, can't he like somehow program it that as soon as you press cancel, he gets all of your details?
No, 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 no. This is not happening like this. Once you click on any link, the link
Yeah.
must ask you something and then you're going to input your details in it, and then it will work. So ऐसा नहीं होता कि किसी लिंक पर क्लिक करो और फौरन से तुम्हारा डाटा हैक हो जाए. हो सकता है ऐसी बहुत सारी फाइल्स होंगी भी. जाहिर हैकिंग इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ ब्लैक होल जिसके अंदर हमें नहीं पता क्या कुछ चल रहा है. सो मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि समवन सेंड यू अ लिंक एंड मिस्टेकली क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक, बट डेफिनेटली तुम उस लिंक पे क्लिक करने के बाद कहीं तो जाओगे, किसी वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, वहां पर फिर वो तुमसे इंफॉर्मेशन मांगेगा. बहुत सारे लिंक्स ऐसे आते हैं मेरे पास, लाइक इन माय हॉट मेल, click on that link to claim your iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that link, you are the winner of the 10 million US dollar lottery. So these are the types of the attractions they give you, and the people attracted click on that link, fill the form, and believe me, they will lose their data. So एक सिनेरियो में चलता है, हैकर भी सिनेरियो में ही चलेगा. उसको एक प्रॉपर ट्रैप करना होगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि वो एक इनप्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंग चले और आपका सारा डाटा ले ले. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है ना. तो अगर मिस्टेकली किसी भी लिंक पर क्लिक कर देते हो, इट्स ओके, बट बी केयरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बिकॉज एक आध दफा तो चलो बच जाता है बंदा, लेकिन यही है कि अगर आप हैबिचुअल है कि आप लिंक्स को रीड नहीं करते और विदाउट रीडिंग यू आर गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन द लिंक्स, सो वो डेंजर है. Okay, next topic is surfing. Shouldering, also called shoulder surfing, is used direct observation techniques such as looking over someone's shoulder to get passwords, pins, security codes, and similar personal data. Like you rely on someone, you want your friend to do this thing, and you want that person to do hacking for you. This type of things are known as shoulder surfing. Like you're using someone in order to get someone's data, right? Like a contract hackers. Contract hackers are there. So you hire them, you give them $700. One of my student needs someone's Instagram password. He contacted me, sir, I want that password of the person. It's an Instagram ID. Acha, one of my link do these things. So you know how much they charge for that? $700 US. मैंने कहा यार man, it's too much. He says that's my work. I'm charging it. I'm not pressurizing anyone to do this, but I charge. That's my fee. And that person is Indian, So Indians are expert in hacking. Indians are expert in programming. Indians are expert in these kinds of things. So they are not going to reveal their original ID, right? वो एक fake ID से मुझसे बात कर रहा था, उसने बता दिया था मुझे कि सर मैं अपनी ID शो नहीं कर सकता आपको, आप जो भी काम करेंगे मैं इस पे करके दूंगा, आप मुझे मनी ट्रांसफर करेंगे, I will give you the password in a couple of hours, but the fee is $700 for that. So अब अगर sorry,
what if you pay him and he doesn't give you anything?
नहीं, I don't think so professional do these things. देखो आजकल चल क्या रहा है, आजकल हर चीज ऑनलाइन है. So now the level of trust in the market is getting higher and higher on the customers and the people who are dealing. Like if I'm charging the fee, I will teach my students, just like the hacker. If they are going to charge the fee, definitely they do the thing. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मुझे ब्लॉक कर दे, नहीं कह रहे, ये प्रोफेशनल होते हैं. ठीक है ना, ये लोग काम करके देते हैं आपको. हाँ, हो सकता है यार 100 में कोई एक आदमी ऐसा हो, 2 आदमी ऐसे हो, तो वो तो हर जगह ही है यार. तो हम किसी की ऐसा नहीं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले सकते. लेकिन अब तक जो मैंने पैंडेमिक 2019 से अब तक मैं देख रहा हूँ, जितना भी ऑनलाइन काम है वो सब चल रहा है और वो बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है. सो द कस्टमर्स एंड द पीपल्स आर हैविंग ट्रस्ट ऑन ईच अदर एंड दे आर डीलिंग लाइक दिस, राइट? Malware is an umbrella term used to refer a variety of forms of hostile or intrusive software. Malware include computer virus, worms, Trojan horse, ransomware, spyware, scareware, and other malicious programs. So all the things which destroys someone's data, which destroys a hard drives, which destroys someone's valued data is called a malware. Malware is in form of like computer viruses. They are acting like worms. Trojan horse, the most popular malware is Trojan horse nowadays. and ransomware and spyware, especially like if you are going to use some hidden cameras in order to spy someone's ID and password or send a file or a software in someone's computer, mistakenly that person is going to download it और फिर वो आपकी पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही होती है आपके कंप्यूटर की. तो spyware softwares are very dangerous form of malware, right?
Right.
So viruses, keyloggers, worms, and many other software attacks are different types of malicious code. और देखो इतने सारे malwares हैं, and all these malwares are using some different types of technologies. ऐसा नहीं है जैसे वायरस ही का काम worms भी कर रहे हैं. worms का काम अलग है, वायरस का काम अलग होता है, spyware का काम अलग होता है. So every application is performing, every malware application is performing some multiple tasks, right?
Right.
Okay. So as we are studying the malware, malware covers all the types of viruses. And you know, nowadays the most important or the most disastrous virus software is a Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a non-replicating malicious code contained inside what appears to be a useful program. So Trojan horse is not going to replicate in your computer. Replicate means that once the virus is there in your computer, it is going to copy itself in your all folders. But Trojan horse is not going to perform this thing. What Trojan horse do? It is going to show that it is a kind of a useful program. A worm is a self-replicating program. But if you're saying worm is a self-replicating. It means once the worm is in your computer, it is going to copy itself automatically to every folder, right? So that does not alter files, but resides in active memory and propagate itself if by means of computer networks to consume resources. Like worms makes your computer slow, makes your computers irresponsive. So they are going to, you know, self-replicate in every part of your computer, makes your computer, it takes or shares the resources of the computers or consumes it. So your computer might work properly, right? Spyware, what is spyware? Spyware is a non-replicating, again, program used to track user activities. I told you that spyware is the most dangerous program. What they do, they automatically download it to any file, send it by the hacker, and they record all the activities what you're doing on your computer. Like if you're using your internet banking, you're using a password for the internet banking. So the hacker must get that password, and believe me, you become zero. Because the basic purpose of the hackers is to steal the money, right? To steal.
Yeah.
अच्छा तुम ये सुनते होगे कि ये सेलिब्रिटीज की पिक्चर्स लीक होती हैं, बल्कि देखी भी होंगी तुमने. अब ये पिक्चर्स कैसे होती है, कभी सोचा है?
नहीं.
ऐसे लीक होती है कि कंप्यूटर्स में जो हैकर्स होते हैं कुछ डाटा ऐसा भेज देते हैं जो कि इनको इतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं होती. दे क्लिक ऑन द फाइल एंड देयर कंप्यूटर विल बी हैक्ड. तो उसमें से कुछ उनकी मोबाइल्स या लैपटॉप में जो पिक्चर्स होती हैं वो फिर वो हैकर ले लेता है और फिर उनको उस पर वो कहते हैं जी मुझे इतने पैसे चाहिए, अदरवाइज आई विल अपलोड इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया. वो सेलिब्रिटीज बेचारे क्या करते हैं, पैसे देते हैं और फिर वो हैकर क्या करता है, वो उनको पिक्चर रिटर्न कर देता है एज पर कमिटमेंट. ठीक है जी. तो spyware is the most dangerous, you know, kind of a worm or the malicious code which destroys someone's life as well, right? And the keylogger is a type of the surveillance software that has a capability to record every keystroke that the user makes. Keylogger में भी क्या होता है, वो कीज आपकी नोट कर रहा होता है कि कौन सी की आप प्रेस कर रहे हैं. Like I'm using Y, J, K, L, whatever the keys are there. I'm pressing it on the keyboard. The keylogger is going to record that session. So it is also like spyware, right?
Sir, do you know how to do that?
Sorry?
Do you know how to do that? Like you can track people's keyboard?
There are some softwares for that. So you need to send that software to the person without their consent. So they downloaded that thing and then the keylogger or the spyware starts working. So they're going to record the things and send you the recorded files. So you click on the video file and you can see what they are doing. So they are very expensive softwares, right? और ये आपको ऐसे मिलेंगे भी नहीं, इंटरनेट पे भी नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. ये उसी के पास होंगे जो काम करता है. किसी नाइजीरियन से दोस्ती कर लो तुम, तो वो तुम्हें सब सिखाएगा, लेकिन पहले तुम्हें हैक करेगा सही से। ठीक है, नाइजीरियंस आर द मोस्ट डेंजरस पीपल एंड द मोस्ट इक्विप्ड पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड। 95% हैकिंग नाइजीरियंस करते हैं बैंक्स की। डाटा स्टिक,
95%?
you know that.
No, I didn't know.
Now we are going to continue our chapter with some other types of malwares. So the adware is the first thing. What is adware? Also known as advertising supported software. This is any software package that automatically shows advertisements such as pop-up. They may also be in the user interface of a software package or an installation screen. The main object of the adware is to generate revenue for its author. You know that. Once we click
Yeah.
movie website, like I download the movies from YTS. Once I click on the link now, there is an ad start of daraz.pk. Once I click again, there is another ad, there is another ad. So that type of programs are known as adware, right? So they are going to generate the revenue. Once you click on that, they will generate a revenue by this thing.
Right.
Computer viruses, we know that.
Yeah.
Denial of service attack. This is an attempt to make a computer or a network system unavailable to its user. Like denial of service attack is a service. That service has flooded your whole network with a lot of data, with a lot of traffic. So once your network gets flooded with a lot of traffic, so your computer or the network will be busy and irresponsive and unavailable for the users.
Right.
DOS attack is usually focused on preventing an internet site or service from functioning efficiently or at all, temporarily or indefinitely. So the basic thing of denial of service attack is they are going to make your servers, they are going to make your network miserable. They just hang it for a time, and then if the hacker want any important thing from the network, they can take that thing. And you are busy in canceling the files, you are busy in closing the browser. क्योंकि एक साथ आपके कंप्यूटर पे बहुत सारे जो ब्राउजर्स होते हैं वो भी खुल सकते हैं, बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आ सकती हैं एक साथ, आपका सर्वर आपका कंप्यूटर एकदम से बिजी हो जाता है.
Right.
Hacking is done, keyloggers is done. So you need to write all these 5 definitions in your own wording right now. Your time starts now.
Okay.